2, 1.
Protect the furnace at all costs!
Oh, I felt that pre-pot.
Destruction!
Beware.
Get those billows pumping!
Beware.
Die, scum!
Beware.
Turn up the heat, boys! Destruction!
Right, we're at 8%.
Alright, green side stop. Green side stop. Do not blow it.
Destruction!
Beware.
Out of range.
Destruction!
Blue side blood?
We're gonna get another. Now we got another operator now.
Die, scum!
Beware.
Engineer.
I got him.
Destruction!
Foul.
Destruction!
Beware.
Oh, shit. Sorry, that was my fault.
We don't do so well and they were cleaving the mobs down.
Yeah, we have way too many ads.
Beware.
I think we either need to get it on the first one or we're not getting this.
What Jack said. I mean, Greg.
Because tanks should not be this overwhelmed with
Beware.
ads.
Destruction! Call in more security!
When I'm struggling to keep myself up with those ads, I mean, I should be able to put that mini. Oh, Teresa, can you try and make sure?